Here we're going to take a look at the Chapter 8 review, number 10. If I want to find x, the first thing I have to do is figure out the measure of one interior angle of a regular heptagon. If I count the number of sides here, this has 7 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's a heptagon. To find the sum of the interior angles, all I need to do is do n minus 2 times 180, where n is the number of sides. So that's 7 minus 2 times 180. So that will be 5 times 180, which is equal to 900. Now, to solve for x, I need to find the measure of just one of those. So that would be 900 divided by 7 is equal to 3x plus 46. So what I'm going to do is in my calculator, I'm just going to do 900 divided by 7 and then subtract 46 from both sides. So subtract 46 and that will give me 3x. When I put it into my calculator, I should have 82.5714, and that's going to equal 3x. Then divide by 3, and I'll end up with x is equal to 27.52.